Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Squarespace as a portfolio, so let's get right into it. Now, you can go ahead and make a new site, and you can select as the purpose of your site that you want to use it as your portfolio or as a sort of database for all your work, whether it be a portfolio of your actual work, if you're an artist or something like that, or if you want your portfolio of your previous experiences, your previous positions, etc., etc. It really doesn't matter. However, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a portfolio in a page on your site. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll create two pages. I'll make one as an art portfolio and the second one as a work portfolio. So for example, if I create a blank page, I'll name it the work portfolio. That's going to be a blank page, and I'm going to create a new one with the name art portfolio. Now, here under work, what you can do is you can click on edit in the top left. You can click add a section. I'll add a blank section. In here, you can go ahead and add a block. You can add an image block. For example, if you're planning on using this as your CV, add it wherever you want, and then upload your image right over here. Now I'll just use a free image since I don't want to use any of my images, but you can use that. Then I'll click edit to design it, make it fill a shape. And if I choose the shape, I'll choose a circle, and that should be good. Now the picture still hasn't loaded, but that should be a circle. So let me just save this and refresh the page. It should load after that. And then once you add that, you can, as you can see, there we go. Excuse me. Now you can add text. For example, here, let me just select this. I'll just write, "This is my portfolio," and you can do with this text whatever you want. I'll make it scale, so I'll just make it a bit bigger, and you can do it like that. You can extend the section by dragging it over here, adding more text blocks, adding relevant titles, headings, subtitles, etc., listing all your positions from the past so that you can use this as your portfolio. And you can also add other image blocks if you wanted to make an art portfolio. I don't know why I created the other image, but it doesn't matter now. You just add other image blocks, which you can then fill with your artwork and whatever else you want. You just click on the plus and you click upload file, upload your art, and that should be pretty much it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.